गोयच्या लोकांचो विरोध आशिल्ले लिनियर प्रकल्प सरकारान रद्द करचे अशें दक्षिण गोयचे खासदार फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिनान मडगांव घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत सांगले। मतां फुटिल्ल्यान भाजपाक जैत मेळ्ळें अशी टिका सार्दिनान भाजपाचेर केल्या। भाजपान गेल्या फुडाऱ्यांक कुट्टरेची काँग्रेस तिकेट दिली आनी ताका लागून कुट्टरे काँग्रेस हारतली म्हूण म्हाका पयलींच अदमास आसलो अशें सार्दिनाचें म्हणणें।
Now people are against those three linear projects. Now as far as the double line is concerned, railway line, in many parts they have already constructed. But time and again I have brought to the notice of these people that from Majorca to Vasco there should not be double line because there are houses close by. They are, as you call them, heritage houses, old houses, 300-400 years old. And when the line passes very close to that, with vibrations, it can have effect on the houses. So that should not happen. And now I want to tell our government, though you all are in power, you didn't get a big majority. The votes were split, no doubt among the winners, you all have majority. But what I want to tell you is, people in Kolba and other parts, in Chandor, who have come for that protest, now cases are against them. Please withdraw those cases. They have not done for their personal needs or personal gains. Whatever they have done in the interest of the state, don't close your eyes. Though you are in power, don't show as if you don't have a heart.
Congress lost badly in Kurduri. What are the reasons?
I knew this would happen because the candidate also had come from BJP. If he had not gone to BJP and come back, he would have won.